Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're digging into Yomorio. It's this online store, sells cosplay, stage stuff, and they paint themselves as this amazing hidden find, right? Like 4.9 stars, supposedly from over 11,000 five-star reviews. So our mission today is, well, is this place really a hidden gem for costumes, or is something off, like our sources suggest?
Exactly. And this isn't just about one store. It's about, navigating all this information online,
Yeah.
especially when you see these crazy high review numbers. We're talking 11,763 reviews on places like Judge Me, which are supposed to be unbiased. It feels like a lot.
Okay, yeah, let's unpack that. Starting with, like, the oldest trick in the book, the pricing. Every single item we looked at, it shows this crossed out regular price that's always exactly double the sale price. A $26 costume was supposedly $59.
Always $59.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like those mattress stores that are perpetually having a going out of business sale. It's designed to make you feel like you're getting a steal constantly.
Creates that false urgency.
Right. And that immediately messes with the trust signals. So you look at Scam Detector. They give it a 77.9, which is okay, I guess. And Scam Advisor says likely legit. But then you check their Amazon seller rating.
Hmm.
It's just 4.0 stars, which honestly, on Amazon, that's not great.
Huh. So you're just saying 4 stars is basically,
Hmm.
even with thousands of other supposed reviews.
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah.
In today's market, a 4.0 is almost like a participation trophy. It's just enough to stay listed. If they really had, 11,000 happy customers worldwide, that Amazon score should be way higher. It feels like the one little piece of real data poking through.
Okay, this is where it gets really wild. Let's talk volume claims. They state they deliver to hundreds of customers every day, worldwide.
Uh-huh.
Do the math on that. That's what, minimum 73,000 orders a year?
Right. And for a brand nobody's really heard of outside their own little bubble.
Exactly. How is that even possible? Think about the logistics, shipping, customs everywhere. You can't do that kind of volume secretly?
You really can't. There'd be a huge digital footprint, shipping manifests, carrier contracts, something. And that leads right into the visuals.
The look of the store.
Yeah, the manufactured look. If you're shipping 73,000 costumes, where are the customer photos?
Good point.
All you see are these perfect professional studio shots, flawless models, perfect lighting.
But zero real people in the wild
Yeah.
wearing the stuff.
Zero. And cosplayers love showing off their outfits online. They post everywhere. So that silence, it's pretty telling, isn't it?
Yeah, it screams that the volume isn't real. And, okay, what about the actual product quality? The descriptions are,
Something else.
oh, they're vague. Very
I
vague.
saw one that just said aesthetic vibes
Yeah.
for the fabric.
Aesthetic vibes, seriously. Yeah, or just thin polyester, no percentages, no care instructions, nothing specific.
So basically, you have no idea what you're actually buying. Exactly. And that vagueness is intentional. It protects them. If they don't promise a specific cotton blend, you can't complain when you get, super thin, cheap polyester. The quality is basically a lottery.
Okay, but they do have a 30-day return policy. That sounds reasonable on the surface.
It does, but here's the kicker. You can't cancel an order once it ships.
Ah, and how quickly does it ship?
Probably fast, especially if it's drop shipped. Could be minutes. So by the time you have second thoughts, boom, it's locked in, you're stuck waiting for it and then dealing with returns.
Okay, so let's bottom line this for everyone listening. What's the verdict on your Yomorio?
Well, look, it's probably not a scam in the sense that they'll just take your money and send nothing. You'll likely get something.
Yeah.
But it's like ordering fancy sushi from a gas station.
Yeah.
What you're getting is built on potentially fake reviews, these permanent fake discounts, and quality that might just barely survive one party, maybe one Halloween.
So the takeaway isn't just don't buy from them. It's bigger than that.
Right. It's about trusting your gut. If you see thousands and thousands of glowing reviews right next to a price that's always 50% off, you should probably be asking, okay, what's the catch?
Be skeptical of volume, basically.
Be skeptical of anything that looks too perfect or too good to be true online. Which brings up a final thought.
Go on.
If it takes 11,000 supposedly perfect reviews and these massive endless discounts just to sell you something, what other, maybe more subtle psychological tricks are being used? Especially when the product itself might just be, cheap garbage with really good marketing.
Something to think about next time you're tempted by an unbelievable online deal. Thanks for that breakdown.
You bet. Stay skeptical out there.